This is for my babies. My beautiful baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to the family. My name is Blessing A Kato and I'm back with another interesting video, guys. So today in this video we're going to be doing a passion twist hair tutorial. As you all can remember, I did a tutorial on how to achieve passion twist from a straight braiding hair. So guys, I'm going to be using that passion twist that I achieved from my last tutorial, and let's get right into this video, guys. So guys, I got a total of 6 packs of passion twist from the 1 pack of straight braiding hair I used for my last tutorial, and I think I had a total of 49 sections of my hair, and I ended up using 5 packs of passion twist. So I'm going ahead to start off from the back. I decided to not do the rubber band method. I decided to braid my natural hair to a certain length so I can be able to crochet well. To install the hair, I'm going to use my crochet needle, insert the needle through my hair, and then I'm going to insert this head to my hook and cover the hook and then pull it out through the other side. So I'm just going to twist it together. So I wanted a longer passion twist, so what I did was I made one side of the passion twist shorter than the other side. So you can actually make do with what you want. If you want your passion twist to be longer or the exact same size or length that you created the passion twist, then you are good to go, girl. I just wanted my passion twist long, so that's it. Guys, do not mind me. I am loving how the patterns came out. I don't know how you guys do it, but it was not easy for me to part my hair myself. Girl, I am so proud of myself that the patterns were kind of so neat and clean to this extent. I don't know how you guys do it. If you do this, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about you parting your hair yourself, how it's easy. Because I feel it's not easy. Girl, look at how clean the patterns came out. I am so proud of myself, guys. So guys, I have a full tutorial on how to achieve this passion twist from a straight braiding hair. So if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. I will leave up the link on the description box so you can easily get access to the video. Guys, I am loving how the passion twist turned out. I was so in shock when I checked the mirror, and or rather when I was actually editing this video, I was falling in love. Like, I'm falling in love with this hair. Look at how it turned out, guys. Just with straight braiding hairs, you can actually get your passion twist. I don't know, I'm loving this hair, girl. You want to definitely try it out. It's not hard. It's easy for you to achieve this particular hairstyle, and you are so good to go, girl. Like, look at that, look at the finish now. Like, I am so loving it and I'm super proud of myself, girl.
Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your face. things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural, and even if you let your hair go wild, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no, now you don't have to put on makeup every 'cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Because you know you don't have to change. Baby, I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. To put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling, 'cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try.
So to install the hair, I'm going to insert the needle through my hair, and then I'm going to insert the hair to my hook and cover the hook, and then pull it out through the other side. So I'm just going to twist it together.
It's gonna be you and me, so no now. Not to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even.
So guys, this is the final result. Like, this is the final look. This is what we created with just a pack of straight braiding hair. Like, guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? I'm loving how it's turned out. Like, is this passion twist, girl? Yes, it is passion twist. You definitely want to try it out. Like, guys, what do you think about this hair? Do you love it? Is it something you would want to try? Let me know in the comment section. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed, bye.
I don't want nobody else. And